Namaste. Welcome you all for the yoga session. In this session, we are going to use a stability ball and a mat. We are going to work on the knee joints. We are going to look at how to strengthen the knee joints. Knee joints are very crucial in our day-to-day life. It takes a lot of load, be it standing, walking, running. Knee joint plays a crucial role. Knee joints have a great impact on our lifestyle. These joints have to be kept healthy. For this, the muscles around the knee joints should be strong, stable, and also provide good flexibility for all our functional movements. We shall begin with some simple postures for the core muscles. Get up, lie on your back, rest the legs on the ball. Take the ball closer. Keep the left leg down and straight, right leg flexed. Press the heel against the ball. Now watch your knee. We are trying to flex the knee against the resistance of the ball. Do not hold the breath, breathe well. Relax. Just be there. Just relax the leg. We are going to do some 5 repetitions. These are essential. Fold again. Press the ball from the heel. So in the process, watch your knee, watch your quadriceps, watch your hamstrings, back of the thigh, front of the thigh, and press as much as possible. Relax. Doing this in this supine position gives the advantage that you don't get to load the back muscles. One more time, flex and press the heel against the ball. Feel the knee joint. Do not hold the breath. Keep breathing. Relax. So doing this for about 5 times is essential, and once you press the ball, to hold that for few seconds is also important. One more time, flex and press the heel against the ball. You are trying to flex the knee. Knee flexion is one of the strong movements of the knee. Relax. Flexion and extension are 2 very basic movements of the knees. Now we are working for the flexion. One more time, flex the knee and press the ball from the heel. Do not hold the breath. Watch your knee capsule. You have to hold the resistance for about 15-20 seconds. Relax the leg. Now chain. Left leg up, right leg down. Flex the left knee. Press the ball from the heel. Hold the resistance. You can feel your hamstrings and the calf muscle Develop a feel also for the front of the thigh. Relax the left leg. One more time, flex the knee, press the ball from the heel, knee joint has three bones meeting, the femur or the thigh bone, the tibial bone and the patella or the kneecap. Feel the back of the thigh, feel the back of the lower leg, relax. Flex the left knee, press the ball from the heel, watch your kneecaps, be attentive. The knee joint, a very special type of joint. The two bones meet there and they are covered by a cartilage, and in between them there is a menisci. Relax. The menisci helps to distribute the load properly. Flex the left knee, press the ball from the heel, feel the resistance. So there is the patella, the kneecap sitting on top. Then all these system are held by a system of 4 ligaments. Relax. 4 ligaments are the anterior cruciate ligament, posterior cruciate ligament, lateral collateral ligament, medial collateral ligaments. Again, flex the left leg, press the ball from the heel. So you are trying to flex the knee against the resistance of the ball. So thereby strengthening the knee joint. The muscles around strengthen, relax. Take right leg also up. Be relaxed. Relaxed breathing is very important. Slow inhalation, slow exhalation. Be watchful. Take your left leg down. Now fold the right leg, giving a slight external rotation, and press the ball from the heel. Relax. So here you are flexing, giving an external rotation and as if trying to fold the knee. That action is important. Relax. So knee has a slight degree of external rotation. That's what we are doing here. Then press the ball and pull it down. That is as if you are trying to flex the knee further with a slight external rotation of the knee joint. Relax. Because the knee, apart from flexion and extension, also has internal and external rotation. Here we are trying to flex the knee with a small degree of external rotation. Again, press and try to fold the knee against the resistance of the ball. This helps the knee joint relax. Note that the thigh also gets benefited here. One more time. Press and try to flex the knee. Press the ball. Relax. One more time. Press. So here there is pressing and folding. That folding the knee, or the tendency to fold the knee against the resistance of the ball, is important. Relax. Left leg up. Relax both the legs. Right leg down. Fold the left leg, giving an external rotation. Then pull the ball towards you. Hold the resistance. Feel the resistance. Feel the knee capsule. Relax. So you are externally rotating the left knee and then trying to flex. That's what you should observe here. Right leg relaxed but straight. One more time. Press the ball. Pull the ball towards you. You're trying to flex the knee with some degree of external rotation. And watch the knee capsule. We're trying to provide all possible movements for the knee. Relax. I'm trying to impart resistance so that the ligaments and the muscles become stronger. One more time, press. Feel the muscles of the thigh and the leg. Relax. One more time. Flex the knee, ignite the resistance, feel the knee capsule. Relax. Also, when you press, because of the inherent nature of the ball, there will be a slight degree of instability against which we have to stabilize. So that also further helps. One more time. Flex the left knee against the resistance of the ball. relax. Take right leg also up, relax both legs. So we have worked with flexion with external rotation. Now we shall look at flexion with internal rotation. So for that we have to fold the knee slightly sideways, away from the midline. So we are trying to involve all major muscles and ligaments that help the knee. So that is possible when we give the multivarious movements with resistance. Now left leg down. Now watch the right leg folded sideways, and now try to fold against the resistance of the ball. So it should be, foot should be against the right side surface of the ball, and you are trying to flex, relax. So while keep flex the knee again, press hard, watch the resistance, note the position properly. We have imparted slight internal rotation, relax. One more time, flex the knee. There is internal rotation plus flexion against the resistance of the ball. Relax. One more time. Press against the resistance of the ball. Note the positioning. The knee has to have some internal rotation. Relax. So thigh has to be perpendicular. Flex the knee again. And do not tilt the thigh. Hold the thigh upright. You are only moving the lower leg sideways so that knee internally rotates. Relax. One more time. Flex the knee, press hard. Feel the knee joint thoroughly. Relax. Left leg also up. Relax both the legs. Now we shall look at the flexion plus internal rotation for the left leg. Relax your breathing. Right leg down, fold the left leg sideways, then grip the ball, push it hard as if you are trying to flex the left knee with a small degree of internal rotation. Relax. So note the orientation of the thigh and the leg. One more time. Pull it down. Feel the knee capsule. Note the deviation of the knee. It is not, the lower leg is not in line with the thigh. Relax. One more time. Try to flex the knee. Watch your knee. Watch your breathing. Relax. So by doing this, we are trying to involve all the major ligaments, muscles around the knee. One more time. Flex the knee. Watch your breathing. Relax. One more time. Flex. Press hard. Feel the resistance. And you have to endure the resistance for 15 to 20 seconds. Relax. One more time. Flex against the resistance. Press the ball from the ankle and the heel. Feel the back of the thigh. Feel the region of the calf muscle. Relax. Right leg also up. Relax both legs. Relax your breathing. So we have tried to strengthen the action of flexion, flexion plus external rotation, flexion plus internal rotation. Now we are going to look at the extension of the knee. Slightly push the ball. Fold the right leg, toes pointing down. Now push the ball. From left leg you have to grip the ball. Push the ball from right leg. It is as if you are trying to extend the knee against the resistance of the ball. Feel the front of the thigh. Relax. Note the position of the foot. From left leg you should position the ball properly. Fold the right leg. Toes pointing downwards. From the foot you should push. Feel the resistance of the ball. Feel the right knee capsule. You are working on extension of the knee. Relax. One more time. Push the ball from the right foot. Feel the knee capsule. Breathe with awareness. Down. One more time. Push against the ball from the right leg. Relax. Push again. Feel the resistance. Typically repetition of about 5 times should be okay. Relax. One more time. Push the ball. Feel the resistance. but do not hold the breath and are applying the pressure. Relax. Relax both the legs on the ball. Now we shall focus on the left leg. Push the ball slightly away from right leg grip. Fold the left leg, toes pointing downward. Now from the foot, push the ball. Watch your left knee, left thigh. You are trying to extend against the resistance. Relax. Note the orientation. That is the thigh and the calf. They are in the same plane. One more time. Push the ball. Feel the resistance. Do not hold the breath. Breathe at ease. Relax. Thigh and the lower leg, foot, they should all be in the same plane. One more time. Push the ball. You are doing resistance against the extension of the knee. Be aware, be watchful. Relax. One more time. Push the ball. The ball gives a smooth surface. Relax. So that even pushing this way does not cause any injuries. One more time. Push it hard. You feel the knee capsule, feel the thigh, feel the lower leg. Get connected. Relax. Now take the left leg up and just be relaxed. As you know, knee apart from flexion extension has some degree of internal rotation and external rotation. Internal rotation you experience when you fold the leg sideways as in Virasana. External rotation you experience when you fold the leg as in Padmasana. Now push the ball gently slightly forward, left leg to grip the ball. Now fold the right leg little across and push the ball from the foot. So for the right knee, we are imparting some degree of external rotation and trying to extend the knee. Relax. Note the position of the foot. Now the thigh and the lower leg are not in the same plane. That's what we should observe. Slightly push the ball from left leg, grip the ball, fold the right leg so that knee gets external rotation. Look at the way we are folding. Now push the ball. You are imparting slight external rotation to the knee and trying to extend. Feel the resistance. Relax. Now thigh and leg are not in the same plane. Push again. Push hard. Feel the knee capsule. relax. Note the way the foot is oriented, push again. Our focus is on right knee. Relax. We are trying to extend the right knee with a component of external rotation. Push again. Feel the resistance. Relax. Push again. The degree to which you can push, well, initially you can be little relaxed on the amount of push you can provide, then gradually you can increase. Relax. Take right leg up, relax both the legs. So you have to increase the force that you apply gradually, because you have to allow the muscles to get properly torn. Now from right leg grip, fold left leg across, from the foot, push the ball. So there is external rotation and extension. Relax. One more time, push the ball. Feel the thigh muscles. And hold the push. Relax. One more time. Push the ball. You are trying to extend while the knee is in external rotation. Relax. Doing all these things would engage the host of muscles and ligaments that really help the knee in staying healthy. One more time. Push again. Feel the resistance. Relax. One more time, push the ball. Feel the thigh muscles. And hold the push. Relax. One more time, push the ball. Feel the thigh muscles. And hold the push. Relax. One more time, push the ball. Feel the thigh muscles. And hold the push. Relax. Rest the left leg also on the ball. Stay relaxed. So doing this way in the supine position, you can apply the force gently and also safely. Now we are going to do external rotation. Externally rotate the knee and then push. Try to extend. Feel the right knee. Relax. So we are folding the leg little sideways, holding the thigh perpendicular, push again. relax. One more time. Push the ball with the internal rotation of the knee. That you should carefully note. For that, the foot will be little sideways to the thigh. Relax. One more time. Push against the ball. Feel the knee capsule. Relax. Push again. Relax. One more time. Push the ball with the internal rotation. Relax. One more time. Push. You have to note the orientation of the knee. There is a slight internal rotation and you are trying to extend. Relax. Rest the right leg on the ball. Now we shall focus on the left knee. Fold the left knee sideways. Push the ball. Try to extend the ball. Relax. Push again. Try to extend the knee. Relax. One more time. To keep the knee internally rotated and then try to extend the knee. That is, you have to push against the ball. Relax. One more time. Push against the ball. Note that this force is somewhat upward. Relax. From the left foot, you are trying to push the ball up. That's what should be noted. Because there will be slight sideward gripping movement also. One more time. Try to extend the knee. Relax. One more time. Grip and push. Relax. Relax the left leg also on the ball. Be relaxed. So in all these movements, definitely the thigh, the muscles around the hip, they are also involved, they also get benefited. But nonetheless, the focus is more on the knee. So these are some of the basic movements of the knee. Just watch your breathing. Now fold right leg and then push the ball. Note the way the leg is folded. And then push the ball. This also helps to strengthen the knee joint. Relax. Push the ball again. Note the position of the thigh. Push. Relax. One more time. Push the ball. Knee is in external rotation. Relax. Push the ball. Relax. Push the ball. Feel the knee capsule. Relax. Push again. Note the orientation of the thigh and the leg. Relax. Push again. Relax. Rest the right leg on the ball. Now we shall do with the left leg. So in this, the leg is given a position which has knee flexion and external rotation plus thigh abduction. Fold the left leg, then push the ball. Relax. Note the way leg is folded. Now push the ball. So apart from knee, this also involves the thigh. Relax. And these various orientations will help the overall health of the knee. Push again. Feel the resistance. Feel the knee capsule. Be watchful. Relax. Push again. Feel the left knee, thigh and calf. Relax. push again. By doing all these things, we are trying to provide major functional movements for the knee, and strengthening the knee in all these functional movements is very important. Relax, rest both legs on the ball, relax your breathing. So this using stability ball, doing all these resistance postures for the knee goes a long way in protecting the muscles and ligaments in and around the knee. The knee joint is very crucial. Therefore, doing some of these postures using the stability ball will help in preventing the problems associated with the knee. It makes our knee stronger and better. And using the stability ball, even people who are new to some of these postures, and also even aged people, can practice this safely. Namaste.